taken away, seeing Brody in the grave. What a shame, can you stand the pain? No one wants to die in the trenches. Niggas kill like it is fun. Better just keep a gun. Can you stand the pain?
Can you stand the rain? Can you stand the pain? Getting soaking wet, sitting on top of bro grave. How Rashad died right after Valentine's Day, and me and Angel broke up in the same damn day. If you see the police run, might as well go get you a gun. Today I woke up crying in my sin, don't know where it came from. Sometimes I had nightmares of me drowning my own damn blood, and then I wake up just to realize that my soul just flood. No one wasn't dying in trenches, no one wasn't dying in prison. Maple Road or go home and get murdered is the life we live in. Can you stand the pain?
JB's music.
Sunny days taken away, seeing Brody in the grave. What a shame, can you stand the pain? No one wants to die in the trenches. Niggas kill like it is fun. Better just keep a gun. Can you stand the pain?
I brought up tomorrow's what I pray before I rest with no peace. My empty Hennessy bottle just to catch my dreams. Angels sing for the death of it, even saying God, you were sent to live in heaven with Jesus. I'm not addicted to the weeds as a side of smoke. It turned my future every pull of the drum. I smashed at the homie fast, seen death in his eyes. Too many people playing with his hand on a nine. Too many drive-bys, faking lies, someone from the teachers at school. You could be anything as long as you're good. The difference is you from the suburbs or we're from the hood. So many good people die,
JB's music.
Yada.
Sunny days taken away, seeing Brody in the grave. What a shame, can you stand the pain? No one wants to die in the trenches. Niggas kill like it is fun. Better just keep a gun. Can you stand